couldn't he give up this like he gives up everything else?
I know. I used that white noise machine I got you when your father died. Transport yourself to the shores of Nova Scotia, where cod and halibut frolicking.
He's just drumming louder.
So it's a noise war he wants, huh? And I'll throw in some rush hour traffic. And a circus fire. Sleep tight, my angel! What? Oh! Let me know when and if you want sex, honey!
He's gotta fall asleep sometime, doesn't he?
Oh!
You guys need a break. Why don't I take Bart with me to the children's bebop brunch at Jazzy Good Times?
Is it in a safe neighborhood? Just make it happen.
Boy, get dressed! You're going to a jazz brunch as punishment for all the racket you're making.
I thought you wanted me to drum.
Oof, I'm sending you mixed messages. Now get the hell out of here.
Привет, мой милый друг.
I love you so much. Damn you.